we cannot separate abathakathi nemimoya. They are shapeshifters. They can be sent into your house in a form of a scorpion. Ayiphela, impukane. For example, among amaphela lawo, others are ghosts, or the ghosts have possessed amaphela lawo, amagundwane lawo. Yes, part of amagundwane asendlini zabantu, they are listening to every plans and discussion ezenzakala endlini. And then when you want ukuthi umakhelwane wami or usibanibani, how does he know about every step that we take? Kanti these things, they are there. They are spying and watching every movement here. Makakhuluma nenja akhe wena ngoba wazi akakhulumi nenja. But when what you see, ubona ukuthi ukhuluma nani? Zingenza ukuthi ama-electronics lawa angakhona ukuthi aspane. Laptop yakho unento ezofuna ukusenda i-email. Hayi. Iyane i-laptop.
3, 2, actions about people.
Bafethu sanibonani lapha emakhaya. Bafethu sanibonani lapha emakhaya. Once again, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show, it's in the house. Bafethu, we're in your space, we're in your cell phone, we're in your laptop, Bafethu, in all the gadgets that you're using to watch us. Bafethu, would like to say thank you. Thank you so much, Bafethu Sabong. More than ever. Thank you so much, Bafethu. Nesithathile nasibeka kule zinga leli Bafethu. Ebesingacabanga ukuthi nathi namhlanje soze sifike kulo Bafethu. You know, we appreciate the fact that there are so many podcasts that have been there, that are emerging. So sithenje ebuncaneni bethu masifika Bafethu. Kwatholakala ukuthi nithi hayi no, nina nithanda ipoko, yabo, nithanda ipoko, nithanda ubuthakathi. Niyangimangaza mara ngizothini ngizawuthini ngoba siniphakela zona le ipoko niyazithanda ipoko Bafethu. All is well. Paranormal show is Soweto Podcast ephethe Bafethu. Sipho Hatebe, it's my name. Please Bafethu, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button Bafethu, share our stories, let us know what you think Bafethu. Any suggestion on your comments, guys, we read them, we take in what you take in Bafethu. You know, as people are different, otherwise, and judge other people that come into the show. Guys, let us just respect each other. Let us just respect each other's opinions, each other's beliefs. You know, let us not impose into yam empilweni yakho. I think it's only fair that we can operate from a space of love. You know, and tolerance. Look, we believe we hate expanela. Look, I'll tell you always well. Unless masangifuna usizo ukuthi engifitli yami ngixakile, ngicela ungisiza ngalakho. I think that's where we can then start say, I know mamela ke Hatebe la kusetshenzwa kanje nakanje. Other than that, Bafethu, life goes on. Nothing's stopping us, Bafethu. We are moving on. Into sifuna ekugcineni, we all want to be successful, Bafethu. So yeah. Arloning Bafethu, never give up Bafethu. Bafethu, stay tuned, don't you go anywhere. Khotmana muzet? Right man, Khotmana. So, usivakashele today?
Yeah, no, ngicabanga ukuthi ngivakashele.
Okay, no, we really appreciate. Okay, before we go any further, Khotmana, ngicela usazi ukuthi Soweto Podcast uyazi kanjani izwele kuphi utshelo bani kwenzakaleni ukuthi uzithola usula namhlanje?
Well, ngibone ku YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
Abostufuza.
Yeah.
And other ladies ngeke ngisabakhumbula ngamagama.
Yes.
But I can relate ama scene laba bakade bekhona that have went through. Yeah, I think I watched every ayikho engayibhekelelanga.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, all.
From the beginning start.
From the beginning. I might not remember amagama ukuthi ubani ubani, but
right.
I can assure you ukuthi from the beginning until the last episode
yeah manje no Sis Nosipho
lo bekegqoke in black and
Sis Nosipho.
Yeah. I did also watch it.
And then ulona uAsipho mbone lo wejiwe kodwa.
Yeah, I remember that.
That was classic.
Makati yaphuma lana imoto dololo.
That was classic.
Yeah. I remember.
She's famous now, eh?
Isn't?
She's famous.
Wow.
Uyena wavula indaba yeyipoka ngithi.
Isn't?
I'm telling you.
Wow.
Sis Asipho la ikhona, she's legendary. Umuntu is raving up. Awusipho ngajola kanjani nesipoko for 3 months. Asipho ipoza. ujulile nespoki
Hayi Jacob,
agibela ijiwego nespoki
awuzibone zonke.
Hotman, no, let us get to know you. Hotman, sicela sazi ukuthi ubani, ubhuti uphuma kuphi, igama nokuthi sibonga ubani, ukuthi nje ukhule kanjani, ukhule nobani, ukuthi ukhuyela kuphi.
Alright. Mina nginsizwa kaMpofu. Yeah, impofu inyamazane isigaqi.
Okay.
Yeah, inkunzi yakhona.
Yeah.
Yiso isibongo sethu leso.
Okay.
Abantu abadala bebekhuluma bathi inama wasp, yabo inesikhumba lesesilengayo.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So bathi mawungayisukela wena,
Yeah.
usukela ama wasp lawa amnyama.
I'm telling you.
And then bese ziyakhala.
Zizokhala impela ngama-wasp.
Yeah, so bathi ama-hunters mabayihunta mayengabona umuntu eduze nje ithi.
Ama-wasp athi.
Yeah, because I attack before you even get to it.
Is it?
Yeah. Ngizalela eMiller Road la eValley Everton.
Okay.
And then sasuka eMiller Road saya emgaqweni olandelayo Cradock mohlala eValley Central. I don't think ukuthi ungathi uqhamuka khona kodwa iCradock ungayazi. Yeah, idume kakhulu kabi. Yeah, so ngikhulela nakhona ela ngihlala khona kusekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Baba Mpofu, ngegama
Igama lami nguJairos.
Jairus.
Yayazi le ngoma lethi Jaros.
Jairus.
Don't call me Kafa.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a name umbaba mangiphe lona from Abakubo, like his brothers. Yeah, I maybe I want to try to remember them.
Jairus Mpofu.
Yeah.
Oh, how are you related to Advocate Dali Mpofu? You know, by any chance?
Ngimazi nje ngokuthi share isibongo but no.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ubungakalandeleli.
No.
Ubona ukuthi maybe intwana yakho, maybe your
Hayi,
maybe I give.
but a lot of people bahlala bengibuza letho but hayi wena mina ukuthi unemali yo abakini udala impufu musesihlaleni esiphezulu ndokuthi akade angikaze ngihlangana akangazi nokuthi ngikhona.
Hey. All right. No, Baba Mpofu siyabonga. Thank you for coming through to the show. Yeah, let us get to know why did you come and see us today?
The reason enza ukuthi ngize ngizonibona namhlanje. First of all, I like the podcast yenu.
Siyabonga.
Yeah. Ngoba i-agenda of such topics is one of izinto ezineglectwa abantu. You understand? Kuyenzeka ukuthi for example other people are going through izinto eziningi but abathathelwe ekhaya. Or maybe estradini but akasekho right na. Akekho umuntu understand ukuthi what's happening kuye. But ngokuthi abostufuza for example they came here omunye umuntu felt ukuthi hayi man here is where I can voice out.
That's true.
And kwabanye ama city siyabalalela uthola ukuthi abakazi bekhulume lokho ekhaya but they happen to say it here first time. Kungako ngithi this is why ngibe ne-interest yayo and nakhona ngoba nginolwazi oluthize with regards to the world of spirits.
Okay.
Nama-ghost.
Okay.
This is why I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, believing ukuthi omunye umuntu angancedakala or abe ne-awareness ngoba 90% of abantu they have not seen the ghost. Kodwa they are experiencing ngendlela ezihlukile ama-effect wama-ghost.
Okay.
Ngoba naturally akumelanga ngiwabone ngoba this is where the strength is. Mega operator from the unseen. Like so many people are working with ghosts, whether they wabo or bawathole somewhere, but you can't see them. But a lot of people by now. Izindlu eziningi la zikhona izinto, but it doesn't mean ukuthi wena mawungakuziboni azikho. Hence ke kwenzakala ukuthi wena mawubona something kwamakhelwane escary, the next thing awusakhona ukubona. Ngoba you are not supposed to have seen it. Uzohamba ukhuluma wena ukuthi imfene yale khaya wena uyibonile.
That's true.
Uzohamba ukhuluma ukuthi wena ubone 1 in 2 in 3 or omunye akasakwazi ukukhuluma. Or ulahlekelwe ingqondo ukuthi mawukhuluma each and every time but hayi uyahlanya la ikho into eseyimamela kuye. Ngoba wena uzokhipha i-top secret yalapha. So ziningi izinto ezikhona into our lives and in ezindlini zabantu or into families. So a lot of people, they are caught up. Abanye, they don't really know ukuthi what is it, what is happening. This is the main reason why mina ngila. Ukuthi ngi-highlight abantu. Ukuthi for example, abanye baneyinkinga endlini zabo. How do you identify ukuthi in this room la there is a ghost? How do you recognize ubhuti or mina myself or any other person ukuthi I am a victim embethwe yimimoya lena, or whatever problem that I'm going through is because of ABC and into esifana naleso, or ispace leso kuso wena ubona kanjani ukuthi ukuyi-danger zone? So ngithe mangibhekelela amanye ama-video ngabona ukuthi abanye bebenganalo ulwazi. Like I don't know, okay, like omunye umuntu who have been through a situation ethize, if yena beke nolwazi lokuthi hayi lo muntu lo it's not umuntu really, bekezo actor immediately, mara ngoba kanalwazi ujumpa sekulapha ukuthi man, there is something engahlangani ngalo muntu lona, there is something wrong enga-understand, but isimkhostile somehow, or seke sithole esenkingeni ezithize. But once umuntu waba nolwazi oluthize, esikhathini esiningi uzojumpa fast, ngoba izinto lezi zikamoya and witchcraft etc yizinto ezenzakala ebumnyameni and secret, akumelanga uzazi, ngoba the key is when you know, and then uzoqala ukuthatha action. But if you don't know, uzoround umhlaba wonke.
Ngisacela nje ukuthi before you continue, this question, I don't know if it's a simple question. I don't know what is just a question in J. Are we meant to be living with ghosts? Are they foreign emhlabeni? Is it normal for ghosts to live with us? Are they an enemy to us? Or we just need to understand and accept and say, look, as long as it doesn't kill you, are ghosts enemies to human beings? Are we, like, what is the whole understanding of umuntu ophilayo and the ghost? Can these people, or can these spirits and human beings live together? Or it's a no to go, Hadel, it's a no way?
Good question. Imimoya there, before I go into that, can I just say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me begin by ngokuthi ngikhuluma ngani ngesoul yomuntu shortly.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngoba is part of umoya. But umoya esikhuluma ngayo akusiwuyo lo ophakathi kwethu. Ngoba lo moya lo ophakathi kwethu mawuphumile awukwazi ukubuyela emzimbeni womuntu, neither the living or the dead. Akuna transplanting ayenziwa for umoya. Let's say for example abantu abadala bathi for example umuntu mangabe sekeshonile bathi hayi uSipho wenze njani seke sishiyile, kodwa umzimba wakhe now kukhulunywa ngani ngezinto ezithu. uSipho seke sishiyile kodwa umzimba wakhe now, umzimba meaning ukuthi the container le ibenze njani ibi-containe the soul, uyena Sipho lo okukhulunywa ngaye ukuthi uSipho wenze njani usishiyile, and nobody knows ukuthi indlela yakhe izohamba kanjani and his destination, kungako kuthiwa usishiyile, but umzimba wakhe now. And the same very soul does not eat. Masidla thina sisuke sidlelana, we want to have power, energy, etc. And our needs one now, our needs were flesh, but not the soul. So once the soul have gone, kusala umzimba, and now asikhulumi ngalo moya lo. Lo moya lona awukwazi ukubuya into our physical world. Ngoba ukufa yini? Ukufa in a nutshell kusho ukuthi into disconnecta umuntu na anything to do with lo mhlaba. Well, I know ukuthi abantu different beliefs. I'm not imposing or forcing umuntu. Umuntu une right and choice to take a road ethize or to believe in a certain way ethize. But bengifuna ukuthi ngibe specific ukuthi what we are speaking of masikhuluma about umoya or the ghost, we are asikhulume ngani ngesoul yomuntu. Yeah. So imimoya lena has been there before even the creation of umuntu. Long before. Before the creation of umuntu, imoya le ibikade isikhona already.
The ghost.
The ghost, yes. So abantu they call them in different names. Abanye they would say isipuku from ukuthi uqhamukapi or language. So abantu banamagama wazi ipuku nemimoya lena. So abanye abantu would say idalwa, izizwe, meaning it's a certain creation ethize, not humans. Izizwe, it's a creation ethize, ekhona, but not humans. Yeah. So lama spirit lawo imimoya lena they are all over. Yes, all over. Even here akhona.
Here.
Even here in the studio they are there. Akhona la studio. Maybe the difficult part is when mongafuna ungibuza ukuthi aphi
Oh, how do we see?
Yeah, so but they are everywhere. But it doesn't mean ukuthi wherever la akhona ayenza njani atrouble umuntu. Okay? Yeah. So since they are everywhere, normally people yibo abenza njani who tap into their world. By nature, imimoya lena, they want to be far away from humans. By nature. By nature, they want to be far away from humans. La kunganama activities wabantu. Like you'll find them caving. You would find them endlini lezi ezingasahlala abantu. Izindlu zakudala. You would find them on mountains, desert, emanzini, etc., etc. La kunganama activities wabantu. Yeah, but the majority of the time, umuntu uyena oyayo kuwo. And then now, this is where the problem begins.
Okay.
I don't know if we,
Yeah,
and then gube other spirits which are just neutral. They don't trouble anyone unless if you trouble them. And then gube namanye again that are just mischievous. So the world of unseen is more or less like umhlaba wethu. What we have here also, it's there in the world of unseen. But ngendlela thizeni. What we have here nalezi khona.
Okay.
Yeah. Like how we have animals here, nama spirit lawo or ama ghost lawo, they do have animals. These spirits ziyakhuluma. They have ama feelings like humans. Let me just go on my phone la. Ngiyenzele ukuthi ngingaphuma ngingakhulumi le nalena ngoba I have much to share with the little knowledge enginayo.
Okay.
Okay. Kune point la engibekile la ukuthi masikhuluma ngemimoya lena or ama ghost. We cannot make justice singakhulumi ngabathakathi because they are amathi nolimi. You can't exclude abathakathi and then speak about imimoya or ama ghost. Or you can't speak or you can't awukwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngabathakathi and exclude ama ghost. No, you can't. It's one and the same thing. I company one.
Okay.
Normally, when enemy yakho ayikwazi ukuthi ikuthole physically directly, what do? They go now into the spirit world. Via bathakathi. Anyone, if you isitha sakho asikwazi ukuthi sikuthole physically, they take the road of what? Tapping into the spirit world. Kodwa le mimoya lena esikhathini esiningi, they don't just come on their own. There has to be a reason. Kokancane ukuthi ama-ghost lawa asithole esogolisa umuntu or emenza 1 and 2 and 3 just like that. No, most of the time there has to be a reason. Eyenza njani? Evula imbobe access ukuthi either ibe i-control or ibe ne-effect ethize in your life. So abathakathi they bagulisa abantu via these spirits. What do? Baba nama contracts and pacts with the world of unseen. But Masahamba, I'm going to show you the consequences of izinto ezifana nalezo. So the same very spirits, ama-ghost lawa, they are shapeshifters. They can be sent into your house in a form of a scorpion to bite you. But when I was also with scorpion impale, they can come into your environment in a form of a snake to bite you, but when you will think it is just a snake. So abathakathi today they have advanced. Ngendlela thizeni ukuthi mabakuthumela izinto ezisabekayo uzojumpa clear. Uzoya kumakhelwane uzomemeza. So nababonile ukuthi lento lena we are not winning here. Rather asithumeleni abantu izinto lezi abazijwayele. And then to is going to be normal. Ariphela. Impukane. Ispider. Umkhuditswane. But for example, among amaphela lawo, others are ghosts. Or the ghosts have possessed amaphela lawo. Amagundwane lawo.
Hayibo baba.
Yes. Part of amagundwane asendlini zabantu, they are listening to every plans and discussion ezenzakala endlini. And then when you want ukuthi umakhelwane wami or usibani, how does he know about every step that we take? Kanti these things, they are there. They are spying and watching every movement here. But ngoba they are in a form of animals or insects, we can't be suspicious. But once you start to have a knowledge and experience, you will be able to differentiate, which this one is not a normal insect or interest fanale. Just like our people, they do have ama-ghost lawa bani. But now, possess ilwani zabo. So when you will not know, but umnikazi uyazi ukuthi nginento yami phakathi kwalenja le. Nginento yami phakathi kwento ethize, nginento yami phakathi kwento ethize. Makakhuluma nenja yakhe wena ngoba awazi akakhulumi nenja. But when what you see ubona ukuthi ukhuluma nani? Yeah, but yena engakhulumi nenja ileyo, ukhuluma nento yakhe. So this is how, for example, how they are feeding them through the dog, etc., etc. So with the same very ama-ghost lawa, they can cause umuntu ukuthi ebe ne-skin problem, umuntu zingenza ukuthi ama-electronics lawa angakhona ukuthi aspane. Without any technical problem, yes, they freeze. That is one of the signs among ama-sign abonisayo mangabe you have got a ghost inside your house. Izinto lezi ezisebenza ngomhlakasi, they will freeze. Laptop yakho unento mawubhekela ama-movie for example hayi ubunganankinga entweni eserious ekumele uyenze ufuna ukusenda i-email hayi iyale i-laptop ifoni iyala. The ghost can even call you through the phone. Ama-ghost akhona kuma-WhatsApp, akhona kuma-Facebook, they are communicating with people on behalf of abantu their bosses abathwele ngazo lezi zinto. When we still to communicate nonto kanti hayi akusiyo lo muntu loyo. But manizomeet, of course, uzohlangana nomuntu othizeni. But the middleman lana i-ghost leyo. They can call you, they can WhatsApp you, you can meet them, just like we have seen abanye abantu, they have met bomakaikai nama-ghost. They can steal ziyakhona ukutshontsha imali. Sitshontsha imali endlini and then nicabane nihlangane ngamakhanda kanti nobody stole it endlini. Ilama ghost lawo. Yes, zingakhoza so many problems. Umuntu wesifazane uthola ukuthi I'm sorry ngoba there is a lady nabanye abangilalele phansi kwakhe akunaphunga eli right. But naye aka understand ukuthi what's happening. So which man ozoya lapho? And then he will wonder. Or only makumele ukuthi manje yileso sikhathi leso kuba nenkinga. That's why ngithi we cannot separate abachakathi nemimoya. But today we won't have, I don't think sizoba nesikhathi ukuthi nabo singabafaka etc. But with the permission of the podcast or abantu meba comment ukuthi they will love or like ukuthi we go further ngikhona. We can dive deep into that. Normally within the spirit of the world of spirits, there are three categories yama ghost. And then kube nama class, just like we are human beings. Angithi kunama tribe, kunani. Yeah. Among a group ethize yama ghost lawa, there are those which fly. And then others, they normally athanda ukuthatha shape yama animals or humans. And then others, ama ghost azulayo. You understand? From one point to another. And the majority of lawa azulayo, yilawa uthola ukuthi abantu bebehamba ebusuku bagcina benza njani? Behlangana nawo. And makahlangana nawo uthola ukuthi sometimes ayinandaba naye. But indlela le wena ekuthe ngayo ujampisile ukuthi wena uyibonile kanti yona at that time ibingaboni ukuthi uyibonile lento. And I'm not saying for everyone, but I don't know if le point leno you'll understand. Yeah, uthola ukuthi yona lento leyo uyibonile ayijampanga ukuthi kunomuntu odlulayo. But i-reaction le wena uyenzile and then yabona ukuthi hey lo muntu and then it just cause a bit of a trouble for umuntu loyo. They are bad and good. They are bad and good. They are neutral. But unfortunately, abantu bethu, those who are involved in it, they can only do bad things with lezinto lezi. Imimoya. Whereas other people, they're inventing ama camera, they're inventing ama lights, etc. I-technology lesiyisebenzisa manje, part of it is coming from the world of unseen. Despite ukuthi laba aba-access knowledge leyo, what ama-contract abawenzile now. But it's unfortunate ukuthi within our people, abantu aba-involved or who have got access into tapping into this world, they are only doing the izinto ezibad. Whereas there is so much good that you can do. Ngoba amanye akhona they are just like inja. Inja la iphakela khona ila yenza njani? Yeah, inja yakwakho if mina I'm going to take care of it. Izenza njani? Izohlala kwami. So le mimoya lena eminya khona they are very natural. So long you are going to give them what they want. It doesn't. If when you are asking for a bad thing, they will just go for it. And it does a whole. If you asking for a good thing, they still are going to do that. But it always troubles me. How is it ukuthi abantu bethu they are not able to do good for their own benefit, but they can excel ekwenzeni izinto ezinjani?
Yes.
Yeah. For example, let's say there was a ghost. I'm not saying make a wish, but I'm just asking, what would you say maybe ukuthi ghost ikwenzele? I'm ngifuna ukuthi ngitshele ukuthi they can do it or not. What a positive. Let's say now, man, I am at your service. What do you want? Yes, they can do that. Well, the question umuntu uzothi, how if mina I know about that, why I'm not? Angikho interested in me. But lana I'm trying ukuthi ngiveze ububi babantu and how ignorant they have become or what they have put themselves into. You want the gold, they can bring a gold for you. Yes, they can bring it. They can bring it for you. They can show you what you gold live. And for sure you will find it. But of course, there is always a price. If ufuni gold, which gold here in this area, yes, they can show you. I'm not into that. But I'm here to share the little knowledge that I have into the world of unseen. And then the question becomes, if zikhona ukwenza into efana nalena, why can't people utilize them in the same thing? Kunokuthi bakumoshele i-podcast. Kunokuthi bamoshele umntana abantu umsebenzi othize, bamoshele umntana abantu umshado wakhe or umsebenzi, etc., etc. Whatever knowledge you want to access of the past, not future, you can access it with the world of unseen. What knowledge would you like to access? It can be accessed now with the people abakhonayo. Whatever knowledge ekhona, izinto ezenzekele back ungayithola, no matter how many years back. So these are some of the abilities ezikhona. Then why people going the wrong way? Like what's wrong? So they do also have religions. And I'm a ghost. Just like we have different churches, they are also inclined kuma sonto thizeni and certain beliefs. They've got tribes, color, they've got dialects, they've got families, they've got children. Yes, they do have sex, there's everything. Yeah, they do have sex.
Families, married.
Yes, married with children. Ipogi. They do have ayalalana, they have children, they take care of children, etc., etc. They've got their own cities emhlabeni yawo. More or less like they also have ama-judges. Makunenkinga khona ama-judge in the world of the spirit. Khona ama-judge. They do pass away just like anyone. Like humans. It's just that they live long than humans. Hence, akhona ukuthi azi information thizeni kamkhulu wami or ugogo wami. They live long, 1,000 years, 10,000 years. They live long. So they know history yonke, your bloodline, from maybe umkhulu wakho was 100 or one was 200. They know izinto less. So let me quickly go kuma abilities. Wale mimoya lena. But before I say them, humans have power more than ipogiles. Umuntu namandla ukudlula imimoya lena.
Njoba siyisaba kangaka.
Awu, umdali angithi yithi injani ifala lomhlaba. Yes. But ngoba because of izimo ezithize sizithola thina siphansi kwazo and nama contract or ivumelwano ezithize, now siphansi kwazo, we are in problem. There are so many abilities thina esizilandayo sizifuna into the world of the spirit, not knowing ukuthi we have the ability to do them. You don't need to tap into that. For example, kunabantu I'm not sure if you know about the elements of abantu, fire, water. But you have heard that. Yeah, so ama abilities of abantu la. Umuntu what does water do? Water amanzi enza njani observe information. Whatever you can speak inside this water, it is stored. I don't know if you understand. So umuntu who's a water element, une intuition ephezulu. So now this is where how izinto abanye abantu they are misunderstood. Umuntu nomuntu une, I don't want to call it a gift, but I want to call it a ability. We understand. Umuntu nomuntu umdala mphe yona. So ngoba umuntu yena ka understand ukuthi man kuza njani mina ukuthi ngumuntu osona efikele ebantwini aba-wrong and then they hijack what lo muntu lo anayo and use it for their own benefit or in a world of spirits. I don't, okay, you think example with anyone. You see umuntu onama ears athe.
Yes.
Open ears like this. Lo muntu loyo by nature, umuntu whereby mangathi ukhuluma naye, he listens to you. I'm not saying the others they don't, but yena i-ability yakhe yokulalela umuntu iphezulu ukudlula the rest. And then umuntu onendlebe eziso is such a person ukuthi mawumtshela into, he will keep your word. Mawuthi le cup lena don't move it here. Nyeka isuse. Is that not an ability or a gift? So yinto le umdala mphe yona. So I'm trying to explain ukuthi umuntu nomuntu unayo ability leyo. But now abantu aba into the world of darkness bayakhona ukubona ukuthi oh lo muntu lona is very useful for into ethize. Ngamsebenzisa for 1 and 2 and 3. But ngoba enganalwazi yena engana knowledge, then he finds himself ezandleni ezirong. So I okay ngishilo ukuthi they do marry among themselves. They have intercourse, but they eat, they drink, they smoke, they etc. Okay ngishilo ukuthi they hear, they speak, they've got feelings, religions. Yes, ama shifters. Most of the time, lama spirit lawa, they shift into esikhathini esiningi inja emnyama. But I'm not saying every inja emnyama ongayibona wena it means it's a ghost. But mawungenzeka ukuthi isejardini makumele uyixoshe iyama egqozelela amehlo ithi, then you must know ukuthi akusiyinja lena. Uphethe ibhakstina ithi
Image.
yeah, image. Then you must know what you know. They're not seeing. And then Amayama spirit, they will, normally they would like to be in a form of snake. I don't know if you have ever heard. My grandfather saw it. They know isn't always, but they don't come open. They khulume ngazo. Uyazi ukuthi kune inyoka emakhaya abanye bathi ayibulawa. Kuthiwa wale khaya lo.
Yes.
Yes.
Ini?
Umachola.
Umachola.
Wale khaya how?
Yes, how?
Wale khaya how? Okay, mangabe umtaung or umkhize or umpofu. How? Inyoka namhlanje like how? And umkhulu wami lo, how is he able to differentiate ukuthi lena akumelanga ibulawe lena, but the rest kill them? So it's unfortunate ukuthi today namhlanje umuntu oyi-age yami ezinye izinto he will call a spade, whereas abantu abadala bengasitsheli thina into eclear ukuthi hey kukanje nakanje. Khona inyoka leyo kuthiwa umajola. What's the difference between yona and the other snake? So within ilist yami lana the biggest secret imfihlo within the world of unseen ukuthi wena unga-expose ukuthi even though they are in a form of a snake, but it's not a natural snake. Don't say it. This is the biggest secret. If ever one secret unga-expose is this one. If they're in a form of human beings, ukuthi wena unga-expose ukuthi as though zibukeka njengomuntu, but it's not a real human being. They just took a shape, a tease. This is the biggest secret into the world of spirit. If ever kunes secret enkulu ayikho edlula leyo. Makumajola, don't akumelanga wazi ukuthi lo majola lesikhuluma ngayo is not a real snake. It's a spirit. Whatever usibanibani umbonile in a form of a human being, yes, he looks or she looks like uSibanibani, but akusunguye. This is the biggest secret that people who are into this realm keep. Akumelanga ukuthi like imfihlo enkulu kunazo zonke. Okay, I did say ukuthi they know ama information akudala, and they can make you dream. The spirit, they can make you dream, leading you to where la wona afuna ukuthi akulide khona, or in a way which wona afikelele as to how they want to use you. Just like how abantu they can make you dream ukwazi ukuthi wena umphuphe. How is it happening? Because mawulela ngithi you're in a world of a spirit, and then how is it happening? Kune plug ethathiwe yafakwa lapha, so kuyi Bluetooth. Akunantaba. It's a world of unseen. They are also educated to a certain level. Siyayazi technology. Yes, mimoya yayazi technology, they're educated. They can also kidnap umuntu, to kidnap him into the world of unseen. Like in Komishlen, angithi uyabona it's physical. It's matter, but zingayithatha wena ungayiboni, and then here it appears to you. These are some of the abilities that they have. They can kill also. Ziyakhona ukuthi imimoya lena umuntu yenze njani ikubulala. Yeah. They can go through walls. They azidingi nokuthi zingene eminyango. Azina boundary. The world of science does not work for imimoya. The world of science does not work for them. So, they are biggest trickers. They can cheat you. Kushuti, for example, let's say I'm a spirit, I want to use you. I can come into your dream. Ngikutshela ukuthi abosibanibani bazoyenza 1 and 2 and 3. Bafuna ukukwenza 1 and 2 and 3. So be careful. Ayikho yonke lento leyo. Angithi I'm just making example. And then I give you a certain sickness. I come another day into your dream. Yakhumbula ngitheni kuwe. Mawuvuka wena ngakusasa uthi ezivara man yazi ngeke ngathola iphupho elisona ukuthi abosibanibani, and here it is. And then I heal you again. What am I now to you? Am I not a hero? Heal you in a sense ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi man yenza 1 and 2 and 3. Ngiyazi ukuthi yimi ukuthi engipress button elithi I'm just going to switch it off. Am I not going to be a hero for a lifetime? I am. I'm going to be a hero ngoba I was able to ngikubonisa danger thize, and then ngakhipha futhi kuyo. Ama spirit have got the same ability to do that. They can influence humans, they can control people, they can manipulate people. Just like witchcraft is a system that is used to destroy and to manipulate, and but manipulate abantu. So what is the nature of lemimoya le? Normally lemimoya lena, they don't forgive. Azina sorry. Especially once ukuthi wena now ube nama contract nawo. Remember uwo osukele lemimoya lena. Ibizihlalele kude le. And then wena wayenza 1 and 2 and 3 to attract them, to call them. So normally umuntu makabiza lemimoya lena, what they know is that masibizwa, it means lo muntu wona he or she wants us to do something for him. And once they appear, you are in trouble just to call them for nothing. Ukuthi ya taste uzwile ukuthi no mawungenza 1 and 2 and 3 lemimoya la izovela. And then once you do that, they will appear, and then they will ask you ukuthi usibizele. So esikhathini esiningi umuntu uyena oye laphana, either emanzini, either eintabeni or wherever. So you do see people by emanzini ngithi. Amanzi by nature have power. But where the problem is, ukuthi abantu, they attribute the power of water to the entities that stay in water. Hayi kumdali wezulu nomhlaba. Don't we say amanzi impilo? We do say that, angithi?
Yes.
Yeah, but now the problem is that abantu, they attribute the power of water to the entities ezihlala emanzini. Whether you call it inkosazana, whether you call it inyoka esemanzini, etc., etc. Iyona le mimoya lena. Wena indlalifa akumelanga ucele next. Wena inkosi la. But now people attribute amandla, while the nature that God has created for us, to the world of spirits. And now the world of spirits, they azina next ezingakunikeza yona or sekwenza yona for mahala. And then I will say it ezinye izinto kanjani. They are very bad in revenging. Don't involve yourself into the world of unseen, and then when you don't comply, uzozithola usenkingeni. Or abanye lifetime inzalo yakho yonke for HIV ethize. Ubuyaphi uyenzani? And they're very abusive. Very abusive. Especially le mimoya engekho right. Very selfish and unesquele. Once they are in love with you, no human being must come close to you. They can be in love with you either with your permission or not. You knowing or unknowing. Imimoya isheli. Ayikho njengomuntu ukuthi umuntu uyashela. Once they pick you up, lo muntu lo ngiyamhalela lo. They are there for you. But most of the time is when we attract. Angizomentiona ukuthi ezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi le mimoya le i-attract yini. I will mention that. So, yeah, I say ngishilo le point leyo ukuthi zinesikhwele esinzima kabi. And then majority of the people who are involved in kuzo, especially la kune-contract ikhona, there is no way ukuthi angaba nomuntu wesifazane or ehlale naye. Rather ahambe elala than ukuthi ebe nomuntu specific. Ngoba ma wenza lokho, you are also damaging. Ngayithi ushiya abantwana babantu nabantwana. Or you are spreading a disease ethize. Msito utswela phela. Hence ngikuthiwa umshado is a blessing, angithi? Yeah, ayifuneki lento lena. Ayifuneki once you are into that. So, where do you find the spirits now? Amanye, you would find them in the most dirty places. They like to stay there. The evil spirits, they feed from there. Amasorichi, ema-toilet, ama-tutumulu, you'll find ama-spirits there. Well, bengishilo ukuthi also trees, ziyahlala phakathi kwey'hlahla. Phakathi kwey'hlahla. If you go kwamanye ama-country, for example, eZimbabwe, you'll hear bekutshela ukuthi isihlahla esithize asibaswa. Meaning ukuthi they know ukuthi iy'hlahla ezithize, kusho ukuthi le mimoya le ithanda that type of tree to make it into a house. Bakuthi isihlahla esithize asishiswa, asibaswa. Once wena uskapa usibasa, you are going to create problem. So abantu bethu from ages, it's just a pill. They don't come out and inform us. Ngabe inkinga eziningi they are less ngoba sizaba senjani si-informed. Ezinye inkinga abantu baphakathi kwazo amanye ama-solution and answers asemndenini yabo. If they were only to be told clearly, and then ama-solution azoba khona. For example, mina, my father had the guts to tell me, athi uyazi la kule family yethu kunengozi esilandelayo singabantu abampofu. Athi why? Athi dala le bake bacasha umuntu ukuthi enze njani abalusile inkomo, and then makuphela unyaka bazombhadala ngenkomo. Guess what they did instead of paying him? They killed the man. So of course abakubo abantu labo ikhona into abayenzile spiritually as a revenge. So again, umntana, when you find yourself uthola usenkingeni, you wonder the whole world. No, the answer is here inside the house. kunabanye abantu abaphilayo la emuva spiritually they are written for sale. But people can't see it. But the answer is inside the house. Ukuthi lo mntana lo we cast in ngaye. In expense ukuthi thina sithole some little powers from the world of unseen. For example, ebukhosini. My grandfathers were fighting for isihlalo. They wanted there to be forever. Umuntu ufuna isithunzi, umuntu ufuna ukusatshwa. But there is a payment. Uthola ukuthi payment inzalo yakho. I'm selfish. Ngiyanikela ngayo. And so it binds everyone. It binds everyone. It binds everyone. So long kuyini kuyinzalo zami, inzalo yami ya. So you'll find them in oceans, you'd find them endaweni quiet ngishilo, churches, in malls, in taverns, you will also find them. Nasemasontweni, yes, they are there. Angithi ngishilo ukuthi they are in le mimoya lena, they are inclined also to certain beliefs zethu thina abantu. Ezinye izinto abantu, they are the ones who introduced bajwayeza lezi zinto, izinto ezingazazi. Now they're in trouble. Ungijwayeze for example ushukela, whereas mina bengawudli. I didn't know ukuthi kunento ushukela. Sengiyawufuna manje, angithi ungijwayezile. So people, they have got entweni bekumele they were not supposed to have been there at the first place. So ama-signs akubonisayo ukuthi endlini yakho kuney'bhuku or imimoya engekho right. Bengisengishilo about ama-electronics.
Yes.
Yeah. Or ama-light ukuflika kwawo without any electrical fault. At times, even if i-switch icinyiwe, ubona i-light ithi, but the switch is what? How does that happen? It's a sign. Mara mawungazi, you'll just wonder ukuthi hayi angazi kwenzakalani ngalo gesi.
Technical.
Yes. Kuswitchiwe lapho i-technical problem ingaba njani? Whereas the switch is off. Ubona i-light ithi. Or nini niyalighter and nini nayilight and you don't know ukuthi mayilayita kusuke kwenze njani. Mayingalight kusuke kwenze njani. You don't know.
Very common.
Yes. Endlini la kuhlala kunempi. Ningazi ukuthi nicatshaniswa yini. After fighting and nibizane ngeinhlambe ezinkulu, but mawuthi uhleli phansi ukuthi kahle kahle what were we fighting for? Awutholi reason. But nihlala nilwa in that house. But the individual mawuthi uyabheka ukuthi besilwelani kahle kahle laphana. Bekuyini ukuthi mina ngithathe ilapho ngisule lamanzi lawa. And then that's it. But we fought for this. Can this literally make ukuthi family break? Normally no, but here it is, it's happening. It's a sign. Abantu ifamily manihlale nisempini, nixabane nithukana, you know nibizana ngeinhlambi ezingaka. There is a negative energy ekhona into that house. When you hear footsteps inside your house, but you are alone. Or njengoba sihleli nani uthi uyayizwa ama-footsteps lawana akhala ekitchen uthi yebo ngiyawezwa or nginowezwa, but there is no one. That house is captured, or that office is captured under the world of unseen. Of course, most of the time through the collaboration of umuntu. Let me more, Elena, there has to be a reason. There has to be somebody who's going to sell you ubusbanban for that to happen. Other than that, it's rare to kungenzeka. Somebody, if lenkinga le ayikho from ekhaya, somebody has to sell you from whomsoever loyo. And then ke uthola ukuthi manje sekhona izinto ezithize ezenzakalayo. And then seeing shadows endlini. Always ubona ama-shadow, like you sitting here, ubona shadow ithi. To us, they are shadows, but they are not shadows. Ama spirits lawo. They are spirits. Akusama-shadows, but they look like shadows to us. Mawungezwa iphunga elinuka kabi endlini yakho, kushawo i-spring cleaning, but the smell that is inside the house, you don't know what is it. Akuna gondwana elifile, akuna next, but kunokuba nesikhathi lesi kube nesmell esisnacks, but you don't know ukuthi sivelaphi. Imimoya lena. Or indlu ehlale ingcolile, niqeda ukucleana manje, after about a couple of 1 hour, the house is messed up. Like on a daily basis, no matter how much you try to clean the house, but after an hour or 2 hours, the house will be like ngathi akuzange kwacleanwa le ndlu.
Yes, Babu Mpofu. I think you can still feed us more, and then we'll
Correct,
just have
yeah.
more questions after.
Kunabantu endlini zabo uzothi umuntu yabo mangilele kule room then ngiba nobuthongo obumnandi ngilala njengomntana. Hayi but ngapha angikhona ukulala. Ngapha ngiphupha ama nightmares. That room has been captured. Kunesilwane imimoya le that are in that particular room. What is the difference of this room and this room? Kunombhede. Otherwise, if lo mbhede lona ukhalibri ngiyahlaba, you can as well take umbhede lo ufakele uthathe lona ufake la ufuna ukulala khona. But you know, akusindaba leyo. That room ekhaya that you don't feel comfortable mawukuyo, there is an entity lapho. Or when visitors each time bebeza kwakho, they get sick to a point now abasakhona ukuthi beze. Or abanye bekutshele, but it's not easy ukuthi umuntu ayikhulume lento le, but it's happening. A situation efana nale in that house is under the effect yale mimoya lena. Ukuvuleka nokuvaleka kweminyango, uhleli lana umnyango lana uyawubona man umanuthi. Mawuthi uyawuzuma kahle, hayi umesinsela. But la uthi ubusy ngakhona uyawubona uthi or ukushaka kwezikapa bang. Or funny sounds, especially mawuhleli uyi-one uconcentrate kwinto ethize uzokhala izinto inside your house. And constantly ngoba le mimoya lena they are so misbehaviors, ayikhona ukuthi ihlale and then it does not yenza ama-signal ukuthi hey, we are here. You understand? Yes. Or maybe omunye umuntu angabona ama-footsteps yabo on the wall, ubona like imvula mayinila ngithi yabona ukuthi mawunyathela yeah ubona ama-footsteps but you don't see what's stepping there. And among le mimoya lena yimimoya yakulowo muzi loyo, but they can't come open ukuthi hey man, we have been here kudala silandwe usibanibani. For example, umuzi mawuqiniswa kanjani? Mangakushanga ngebhakstina eyakhu ilokhunjana, you can omunye ungafa ngithi. So what kind of ukuqina okukhulunywa ngakho? Ngoba ngafaka ama-line maybe ayi-20 as much as nginemali ukuthi ngithi ngiyaqinisa. Iqiniso eliphelele, umuzi makuthiwa uyaqiniswa. Let's say for example ngisebenza ngalezo zinto lezo, I am bringing new entities into your house that wena ubunganazo. Yes. And I mean, I will not tell you ipatali yakhona ngoba uzo-tracker back, uze nemali. This is how I eat. I won't tell you ukuthi hey, lezo lezi kunendlela kumele sibhadale ngazo. Ngiyazitshela ukuthi hey madoda, from today nina you are no longer under my hand. Seniyozibona phambili nina ukuthi nizibhadala kanjani. And they are going to do that le mimoya lena. Likhona i-security elingavuma ukugada elingabhadali. Alikho. So imimoya leyo wena you don't awuyitholanga physical, or if even though I can give you i-glass lena ukuthi le glass uyibeke laphana, what you see wena i-glass, but what is attached to kwi-glass lenana is something else. Izinto abantu abazitholayo ebantwini, there is more to than what they see. An example, intambo oyitholayo. That intambo leyo is attached to a snake, but when a snake lena, you don't see it. And it's going to be with you for the rest of your life, for as long we fagile. And I don't mean to insult abantu. Angihlosile ukuthuka. Omunye umuntu ungathola ukuthi uyakwenza lokho kodwa anganalo ulwazi ukuthi hey lento lena ayiphelelanga kuphela la. Whatever you get, it ihamba ne-package. But when you are not told ukuthi i-package yini. Should I make an example?
Yes, sir, please do.
Ufusis, kunosis laphana. I'm sorry to do that. Maybe the podcast does not allow that. Ufuna ukulungisa umshado umuntu wesimame. Awufuni into ukuthi ikulahle. Yes, lokho kungayenzeka. Indoda yakho ingakulahle. No matter ukuthi wena uzoyenzani kuyo. Izinto ezizazi ukuthi mawungazenza indoda ingakulahle. That man will not divorce you. But what is going to be a payment when you told you will not have children? So now what's going to happen in that house? Indoda ihlala ingatholi bantwana. Everything oyitholayo, it comes with a package. But people, they don't know these packages. Ayikho into oyitholayo ingana package. Umsebenzi ungawuthola through witchcraft. Ngendlela ukuthi lezi zinto lezi manipulate whomsoever loyo. But when you are not going to enjoy that job. Each and every morning when I'm uvuka, it's a punishment for you. Ayikho into oyithola mahala into the spirit in the world of the spirit. There is always a payment. And it's not about what you want to offer. It's about what is being requested. Either the way or the highway. Not what you are going to offer. And this is where the problem begins. Once you sign the contract, segment will fulfill. And our abanye abazali or whomsoever, they passed on and the contract now they are still on. Abajelanga abantwana ukuthi what's happening. They don't even sign out. In whatever indlela abangavumelana nayo ukuthi hayi madoda mina ngiyanqampula le chain lena. Abanye would see blood on the walls. Imagine seeing blood on that corner. Kulimele bani? Ubani kade bleed or accident. I'm telling you real stuff. You might have not seen it. But kwezinye izinto engizikhulumayo, omunye umuntu one day uzavela athi hayi but lento le ubhuti ayikhulumayo ike yenzeka kimi or ngeke ngayizwa. Dying of pets endlini yakho unga-understand ukuthi kanjani inside your house. Akuna poison, akuna next time when iphethe oyithengayo ehlala nyana isikhathi esize yafa. But abanye abantu have been having the same pets. Basitreata when I was treated even better than them, but they are survive. But yours die in your house. Kunento wrong ekhona lapho. Or ama-flowers wakho asendlini lawathele amanzi. You want ukuthi they die. Do you know ukuthi bathini i-aloe vera ukuthi ihlala isikhathi esiningi kangakanani? Most of the time it doesn't need water ngithi, but it dies. Ama-flowers wakho asendlini. Ama-insects inside your house bengisengishilo. Omunye umuntu iphela lihleli laphana. By the time when you are thinking ukuthi uthatha isicathulo ukuthi ufuna ukulibulala seliyabaleka. Gone. And once you start experiencing that, uyibona ukuthi how lento lena it has been happening. Njengephela elikephi. Uyabona ukuthi isofa le kude kangakanani. Ngithi ngithatha isicathulo ngifuna ukulisha already seliyabaleka. Akusiphela lela. Hayi akusiphela. Abantu they always say bayafila ukuthi man hayi lawa kusamagundwane kaNkulunkulu lawa. Awadli this. They are not rats. They know yonke lento lokuthi this is a poison. Or lana sitrepiwe lana. They will not eat. Amanye these priests they were also informed ukuthi since when you are going to shape shift njengegundwane kulo muzi loyo, this is what you must be careful of. I don't know if you understand. Yeah. This is how they are going to try to capture you. So 1 and 2 and 3, kumele upasophe izinto ezifana nalezo. Mawungavuka endlini yakho kunentuthwane eziningi nje. Akunashukela, there is nothing as attractive as sweet or ukudla. Let's say phansi kombhede wakho. Or ziningi ekhoneni ethize, you don't know ukuthi zizenjani, ulele kunganani ntuthwane. Ziningi laphana. That is a sign. Imimoya lena inside the house, zithanda ukuhlala kakhulu emakhoneni. Like, I'm not saying ikhona lapha, but emakhoneni. Like how you put cameras, angithi athanda, yes, emakhoneni ezindlu. This is where they like to stay. The environment, ukuthi ubone ukuthi the space that you are. Nanoma nganani esiyibonayo, but ukubonisa ukuthi you are in a danger zone or ukuthi kunemimoya lapho, you are going to feel goosebumps in your body. Ngoba ngithi sinomoya ophakathi kwethu. So energy lena azishayisani. So the body senses for you ukuthi, man, you are at the wrong place here. Or mawungalo khonjana ama-cobwebs la ukhona around that place. Akunasihlahla ngapha nangapha wapha mhlawumbe ungathi kune-cobweb ethe, but you can feel cobwebs only kuleso spot leso. It tells you, or ukuphakamela kwey'nwele, these are also common. Iy'nwele zakho, the hair on our bodies, or to feel hot and cold on kuleso spot leso. Hot and cold edlulayo. Hayi ukuthi uthe mawufika lapho it's just hot or cold. No, hot and cold. But for that particular moment, uphinde uzwe futhi laphana. That is a sign ekubonisayo ukuthi, hey, even if it's a ghost, lezi zinto lezi kumiyizo kwezinye izinto ezingakwazi ukuthi ziku-indicate ukuthi lo muntu lo ohlangane naye wena after tavern or ohlangane naye kepha akusi human being. Your body is going to sense, but mawungazi, you'll just feel it, it's normal, maybe uthukile ngoba kusebusuku. So these are some of the signs. Or feeling heaviness emzimbeni wakho. On that particular moment kuleso spot leso. Kusho kona ukuthi i-environment leyo kunento ethizeni. And then what are the signs esingakhona ukuthi umuntu abone or afile ukuthi mina ngiphozeswe imimoya lena, or ngimbathwe imimoya lena, or ziphakathi kwami? What are these signs? So by these signs, mawungamamela wonke lama-point la umuntu nabalaleli, before even you go to anywhere, if you are a victim of witchcraft or unemimoya ekumbethe or ephakathi kwakho, by these signs already have diagnosed you. And anyone on even 5 of these or more than 3 of these, kusho kona ukuthi kunento ethizeni ethi ekhona ekumele ukuthi ibhekisiswe or aphakathi kwayo ngendlela ezihlukahlukene. Let me go on to them. Especially if lama sign lawa ayenzakala time and again. Yazi into mayenzakala is a repeater, there is a meaning to it. Where there is fire, there is what? Yes. So into ehlala iziphinda, there is a meaning to it. So kanjalo ke nalama sign lawo. So kulezi zinto lezi engizozibala zihlukane kabili. Kunezenzakala ebusuku kubantu and then kube nezinye ezenzakala during the day. But I'm just going to mention them randomly. Omunye will have a constant headache. Every day uphethwe ikhanda. And no medical address ikhanda lelo. What does that tell you? Naturally, it does it actually into a riser equation. Ukuthi how usipho ngimuzwe ekhala ngekhanda elithize, and then yena he took imedicine ethize yamnceda, but mina ngiyayithatha next. I took another one, I took another one, I took another one. A simple way ukuthi umuntu ukwazi ukubona ukuthi igcikwane likuphethe, is it natural or not? It is when mawuya esibhedlela, but isiki le ekuphethe thina siyazi thina. Imagine ibhalo, isibhedlela esikhulu. Imagine South Africa yonke, you'll become the only one kuthiwa isiki le ekuphethe thina siyazi. Or kuthiwa no, isiki le siyayazi, but the way iqale ngakhona, you're the first person. Kusho ukuthi in the whole history of ibhara since yavulwa, kunabantu abaningi abantu boshukela, but le yakho, you are the first one, the way ingakhona. Or bekutreat until bengasazi ukuthi bangakunikezani, until they don't know knowledge yabo yonke ukuthi what they can give you. That's not a normal sickness.
Sorry.
All right.
It's about,
Yes, sir.
so, because we left with about 14 minutes on this car,
14 minutes.
it will require us to go and done. So I don't know if with that 14 minutes, can we use it to wrap it up
Okay.
so that it must done, but we'll be able to make space for the last one.
Okay, cool.
So with that 15 minutes, can we just
I
utilize?
think Baba Mpofu in that 14 minutes, Amaganga's compressed all the knowledge. And then if there might be space for questions 1 and 2, but I'm sure with this,
Yeah.
we might need to have him again.
Again.
Yeah. Okay. Baba Mpofu, can you please just compress for us and then just give us the signs of how do we know that we are demon possessed?
All right. Okay, maybe I'll just, instead of stretching it, point and point,
Yes.
nje.
So
Yeah.
that people are aware, go to, okay,
Yeah.
I know this. Okay, yes.
Okay, on that point, yamagciwane, we esibhedlela, but we don't know what we can do. Asazi thina ukuthi how we can treat you. It's not good as phone or as con, but we have no idea ukuthi masingathi thina siyakulapha. How do we go about it? That is a drawing line between the spiritual and the natural. Every disease ekhona that is natural, there is a copycat into the unseen world. You see it as a stroke, but it's not a natural one. Abantu bethu, you will hear one day omunye umuntu bakame mall ethi uthengisa stroke. He's selling stroke. That is that stroke. Wasithengisa kanjani stroke? What is it? Mama ngathi uyasithengisa, what are you going to give me? Okay, just quickly, kuloma ama-symptoms wabantu who are a victim of witchcraft or aba-possessed by imimoya leyo. Feeling heaviness emzimbeni wakho esikhathini esiningi, iphathe ethize, for example, on your shoulders or your back or your chest, or ufile ngathi you are always pressed here echestini yakho. Ukuzwa ama-voices endlebeni zakho, either ringing or a sound of bees, or uzwe people talking but you don't hear what are they saying, but you are just hearing voices, but these voices uyazi ukuthi akunabantu lana abakhulumayo, but you are always hearing these voices. Uhlala unezinye elibuhlungu, but does not respond to any kind of medical treatment. Ukuba nenkinga yokuqunjelwa kwesiso or isisu sibe buhlungu, ukuba nama regular menstruation. You don't know any amalanga akhona wena awazi. You will just see when mhla you will go on period. Omunye you don't go at all. Omunye you will go abnormal in a such way ukuthi normal ladies they know what they will go for 3 days or 1 week, but when uthola ukuthi wena inyanga yonke you are on your period. Omunye uzathi mangehleli la unikelwa ifish raw one, but ngila akunadamu elikhona close. Omunye uzanukela into ngathi into eshayo, anything burning. Omunye uzanukela smoke or izinto ezibhenywayo, either sniff or in nan. but akunamuntu obhemayo la, but you can smell it. I don't know if you get me, but
Yes,
akunamuntu obhemayo, yes, but you can smell it. Omunye uba akabi ne-appetite at all yokudla. Omunye uba ne-appetite very crazy ukuthi angadla nento engadliwa ingaphekwanga. For example, asidlela isibindi. Yasibuya isibindi saseshop, asithathe asifake utswayi and eat it. That is extreme craving. And other things. Omunye uyadla but udla kancane. Omunye you might not see when ukuthi udla nini but he eats. But wena ukazi umbonela. But uyadla. Omunye will stay very long at toilet. He doesn't know why he takes very long. Omunye will bath very long at toilet. Shower, but akazi ukuthi why ethanda uhlala emanzini. But you will tell ukuthi angiba right mangihlala isikhathi eside etoilet or mangihlala isikhathi eside bathroom, etc., etc. Abanye they would like to be in a very quiet place. Not ukuthi akusumuntu ongathanda irasi, aka understand. Uthanda ukuba uhlala eyi-1. Nakubo ungahlala etafuleni abantu bexoxa but yena you will always be in his room closed. Abanye bayaxoxa la, bayakhuluma beyenzani. Itafule lokudla le but yena uzathatha ukudla kwakhe ayo umuntu very 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 quiet. Very quiet ngendlela emangazayo. There is a problem. Yeah. And then umuntu very talkative. Kunabantu ukuthi hayi umuntu othiza oquiet hayi lona uyakhuluma. That is understandable. But kunabanye abantu nawe even yourself uyazibuza ukuthi lo muntu kanti unjani lo muntu. Uhlala uzamula time and again ngihleli la ngilele for 10 hours but I'm always yawning wherever la ngikhona mina I'm always yawning. Ngihlala ngibhodla akusikhokhu akusikuthi acid but ngihlala and ukubhodla lokho kwenzakala unwillingly. Hayi ukuthi uyazi kunalento le yabantwana ukuthi masikhula besenza kanje and then sipho no lento lena iyazenzakalela wherever you are. Yeah, you've got awunayo control yalento lena. It's not ukuthi you are the one who obhodlayo, awunayo control, iyazenzakala wherever, it's automatic. And then changing of voice, umuntu wesifazane ekhuluma njengendoda. Indoda ikhuluma ngomuntu wesifazane or umuntu eqala ukukhuluma a foreign language that is not known to humans. Or even the language is known but uyifunde. Imagine ubhuti, you know him better, sekekhuluma isiChina. Usifundephi? Very fluent. Akusuye. Sekekhuluma isiChina or ukhuluma the language that we know but yena he doesn't know these languages. He was not raised in these languages or study them. Extreme laziness. Extreme laziness. I deeper into that, but because of time, but I'll just call it extreme laziness and very, very, very excessive. Even especially most important things, but less as more important I was called. But the most important things, ukuvuka ekseni unama marks like you ugwebhe ilayon erigade but you don't know where are these marks coming from. Abantu who are possessed by these spirits, you will see them in their eyes once you have experience. Amehlo, they tend to be like a snake eyes. Or abe very dark and then you don't see the white part, about the white part. Or abe very shiny whereby awukwazi ukumbheka into the eyes. The eyes are very shiny and sharp. You can't look at him for isikhathi eside. Yeah. Or amehlo ngathi asleepy all the time. Ngathi aney'nyembezi. Very sleepy all the time. or ukuvuka nje kuphela ibody yakho ethize ingasasebenzi but ulele kahle but sengivuka isandla lesi sigobekile hot urine without medical reason ngikhama kuyashisa doctors they don't know anything about it ukuthi kuze kanjani mawuphumela ngaphandle abantu bebekhuluma when you feel good they are talking about you nanoma bengakhulumi ngawe bazikhulumela indaba zabo zayizolo zamjolo rozanzana but wena uthi bakhuluma ngami laba these people are talking about me mama uyababona labantu labamela labakhuluma ngami but labantu bazikhulumela into zabo but each and every time when you feel good people are talking abakhuluma ngawe omunye will be afraid ukuthi ezibuke esibukeni akafuni ukuzibuka omunye makangazibuka siyacrack yes siyacrack omunye makangazibuka ubona a very ugly beast another one makangathi uyazibuka I'm telling you what's happening and this is through experience and having gone elifini zabantu ezithize omunye umuntu akaziboni I don't know if you understand makazibheke esibukeni lapha akaziboni but isibuko sikhona lapha but 3 or 4 yeah akaziboni omunye will hate bathi i-light endlini ufuna ukuhlala ku-dark akafuni ukuthi ku-light whether is sleeping time or not ufuna ukuthi kuhlale ku-dark endlini erumini yakhe la ahlala khona omunye uyafeinta time and again omunye uhlala nesibhobo esikhathini esithize omunye will always have bad dreams for example sex dreams or a rage blah blah omunye will go into drugs ngendlela ukuthi for example ama-20 ay4 angawabhema A1 in a day awaqede igaba whatever into ebhemayo igaba yabo igaba elingake lesniff angalishala libhala naturally do you think that is normal
Baba Mpofu
not for others but when you
sicela sibambe lapho Baba
okay
Mpofu.
thank you
Sicela sibambe lapho Baba Mpofu
Alright.
guys nangu umhlonishwa wami ukhona namhlanje because of time ngoba unomona I think would request Baba Mpofu ukuthi manesikhathi to come back again for us to continue with this series because we are very much informed guys. I know lapha emakhaya you know good I think he's talking about me. So guys with this time let us respect isikhathi sizothanda ukuthi bafethu lapha emakhaya leave your comments, let us know what you think. Leave your questions so that when you get back to this segment, we'll be able to bring more questions that are relevant to Baba Mpofu. So yeah, Buffett, because of his isikhathi sasho futhi ukuthi isikhathi sinomona. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Very interesting series, I must say, guys. So let us learn. Please let us know your questions so that we'll be able to delve more magabu Baba Mpofu. So yeah, Baba Mpofu, thank you so much for your time. Please go get more knowledge so that when you get the questions, we align them together.
With pleasure.
And each one teaches one and we have the same understanding of what we are going through so that sisters are Buffett, please don't forget sengqanya so the podcast paranormal show tatlamula re balbona tsamalona Buffett thank you siyabonga ayuba